All right, guys, we're gonna do a kind of in-depth walkthrough of our dual fuel MM2000. This thing has a lot of really cool features to it, very new design, and we're excited to show you what each one of these do. So as you see on our typical MM1000, typical MM2000, there's only 3 switches. Well, here we have 6 switches. Each one of them has significance and has usage for every piece. We decided to put a main power switch on there because if you turn this off, it throws power off to the pit. It doesn't have an actuator motor still going. If this is still turned up, your thermostat's still turned up, it's gonna go ahead and turn everything off and shut the entire pit down. It's a really nice feature to have on it. So we turn that on, then we have our rotisserie. This is what turns your rotisserie on and off. And turn that on right here. Now the motor is spinning, as you see here. As soon as we open up the doors, the wheel stops spinning. Open it up, the wheels spin. That's what that guy out there is for. And then now we have our dual fuel option. This thing is huge, okay? And what this does is if you're doing overnight cooks or very, very long cooks, you can set your temperature to your desired temperature of 200 degrees. And what happens is after the period of time that the wood has ran out, what it does is it latches in and it's gonna maintain 200 degrees until you come back here, and then you're gonna have your beautiful product. So you don't have to have that fear as if you're gone for long periods of time that the pit's gonna run out of wood. What's great about this is there's no gas, there's none of that at all. It is still all natural wood fired, okay? Which is really, really cool. So another feature that we have too is if you don't wanna cook with the dual fuel, you still can have your fan going, which is really cool option because most of the time you have to have the fan going and the dual fuel at the same time, whereas this one, it gives you the ability to just use your fan. And what that's gonna do if you wanna do some sausages or anything like that, that's gonna bring more air onto your sausages as well. So you can do it on anything you like, but what's really good is it gives you the versatility to where you're gonna be able to use this independently. Okay, then you also have your evac, where before you open the doors, you can turn this on, let some of that heat and smoke come out of the cooking chamber, and then you can open up your doors, okay? And if you forget to open up your doors, it'll automatically shuts everything off, it automatically stops your rack, and it automatically stops your fan from spinning, so it's just not spinning smoke into your face. So this is our new dual fuel that we're gonna be releasing. There's a lot of really cool features to it. There's more in depth that we can show. We're gonna show y'all cooks and stuff like that at some point in time, but we're excited to have this thing released. This is big. Let us know what you think in the comments. Let's go.